Hello again, physics nerds of the world. Welcome back for another lesson of physics. Last time we did some more simple physics. This time it's going to be a little more complex, okay? So be prepared. First of all, get out your calculators, put on your glasses just so you can see, and if you want to listen, you can grab an earbud. And let's begin. Okay. Also grab some paper and a pencil. Pencil, just so you can erase it, okay? Because you don't want to make mistakes on these. Okay, so we're starting solving harder physics problems. Okay. Two bicyclists approach each other on the same road. Okay, this is really important. Okay, first what I would do, underline bicyclist. And I would also underline the same road right here. See that? Okay. If you're following along with me, please do the same, okay? Okay. One has a speed of 5 meters per second, and the other has a speed of 8 meters per second. Okay? They are 500 meters apart. How long will it be before they meet? So they're on the same road. We know that. It looks like they're two-dimensional right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is add up 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 equals, that's an equal sign, yes. 8 plus 5 equals, and then you get out your calculator at this point. Always use a calculator. These are the problems that you'll miss on the test, okay? Okay, 8 plus 5, 13. 13, see that? Okay, make sure you write 13, otherwise you're going to get it wrong, okay? Okay. Now, it's really, I want to emphasize this part. This is the part that most students get wrong, okay? Now what you do is you write 13 over 500 equals, okay, now whip out that calculator again. This is why I always carry a calculator in my back pocket, okay? Okay, 0.26. 0.026. Okay, this is what I'm talking about, okay? Okay. Luckily, you're using a pencil, right? Okay. And normally, your teachers like you to box the answer, so you can box it. But if you're on a computer like I am, you can just box it like that, and they know where your answer is. Let's go on to the next one, okay? This one's a little bit more difficult. Question. Okay. Whenever they say question, you know it's a bad sign. Consider a ball. Consider. A ball thrown up from the surface of the earth into the air at an angle of 30 degrees? Okay. This is a typo. They mean 30 degrees Fahrenheit. There. 30 degrees Fahrenheit above the horizontal. Air friction is just after the ball is released. Its acceleration is colon. You know it's a trick question when they put a colon at the beginning and at the end. Okay, so let's visualize this, okay? So here's the ball. So you start moving the ball up, and then it comes back down. So when you're standing on the earth, only when you're standing on the earth. So it goes like this, 30 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's a little bit below freezing, okay? Air free, just after the ball, after is italicized. See, after. Okay. Just as the ball is released, its acceleration is, what does it do? Does it just stop? Does it go up? Does it come down? So after you think about this for about 35 years, you get really good at the answer, you see. So now you know the answer is actually 0 meters per second. Now, as I said before, it's mainly because this is a trick question, because it begins and ends with a colon. That is why, okay? Never let these get you. Okay, oh. There's an answer. Okay. Okay. Yeah, these people are wrong. I have a doctorate in physics, so I wouldn't trust these people. I mean, they wrote C in italics. Like, what is that supposed to mean? Is it, like, C, like it might not be C if they're saying it like that. And they, like, bolded G or whatever. So, like, are you sure you can trust these people? I'm not sure. So, let's go on to the next one. So this one, it's going to get a little complex, okay? So, bear with me. So, here we have, it looks like a square with an arrow coming out of it, okay? And a bunch of dotted lines. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 18. Okay, that's important. Let's write that down. 18. Okay. Next, what we do. I have to actually explain some advanced physics. Okay, so you guys might know about the x-axis and the y-axis, right? X and y. And you might know about the z-axes. So you got x, y, and z. Okay, so that's what you call three-dimensional. Let's go into the fourth dimension. So the fourth dimension, a wise man once told me it's better to show than to tell. So I'm just going to show you. So the fourth dimension, you go like this. Okay? The fifth dimension, you go like this. And sixth dimension, you go like this. Now, at this point, you don't really need to understand what these mean. More like what they look like. So, in case you ever wake up one morning and just, oh, you move your hand like this. Oh, I'm in the sixth dimension. Like this, I'm in the fifth dimension. So you know, like based on what you can do with your hands, like what dimension you are in. Yeah, that's happened to me several times where I accidentally like slip into another dimension. It's not a good time. Goodbye and see you later, my friendly nerds from around the world. This has been Physics Lesson with me, the Master Nerd. See you next time.